Hi, so today I'm going to take you through a basic ankle mobility sequence. Why ankle mobility or why mobility in general? Essentially, it basically gives us control through range and increases our range of motion through our joints. With the ankle or the foot in particular, 70% of our proprioception or feedback or connection with the ground comes from our feet. So if that's dysfunctional, obviously it can set off everything else. The more we can work with connecting with the ground, we've got full range of mobility for our ankle, then that helps us go through our gait cycle or other movement patterns and making sure that they're functioning correctly. Like I said, if there's a misfiring pattern in the ankle, our body can then compensate with the movement pattern and create further problems down the line. So to start, just from a seated position, I'm just going to take the foot, bring the ankle either on top of the thigh or just slightly off, so you've got space for the foot to move. You can use your elbow pressure here to get a little bit of a stretch through the piriformis or the glute muscle here on the left side. Grab the sole of your foot, and the first thing we're going to do is just take you through a passive flexion pattern. So we're pointing the toes down and then pulling the foot up. So going forward and back. We're just going to do 10 of these. Good, and then from here we're going to roll circles. You might get a few crunches and clicks as you go through it. And then change direction. And then from here, you might not pick up in the camera, I'm going to take my foot for a twisting pattern. So I'm taking, in this case, I'm grabbing the ball of my foot, and I'm taking my big toe down towards the floor and pulling my little toe up to the ceiling. And then I'm going to change that pattern as much as I can. So I'm trying to pull my little toe up and pull my big toe down. So, yes, it's natural also that the inner pattern, as we look at the sole of the foot, that rotation will increase and actually have more range of motion this side. Just historically or ancestrally, our foot's actually designed to rotate in as we start to extend our foot. So if you was going through a cycle, as you extend the foot, your foot will rotate. As our ancestors used to use that pattern to grip branches as we used to, or our ape ancestors, if you believe that, will rotate. So your foot will naturally pronate out as you extend it away. So it's designed to twist more. The next phase, I want to use your fingers, or you can also use a foam, like if you're painting your nails, you can use a foam separator between the toes. I want to take each finger between each toe to separate. Sometimes it's trickier than others. So you're gripping your toes here, so all separation. And then I want to combine the two patterns together, so doing the ankle circle and the foot twist at the same time. So we do 10 each. So as I twist down, I'm rolling the ankle and twisting the foot at the same time. Good. 8 to 10 or 8 to 12, and then we're going to rotate the other way. Beautiful. There we go. And then obviously remember to do that on the other side. Thank you.